Hey, I'm Keith, owner of Deutschland Autowerks, where we specialize in Mercedes, Porsche, Audi, exotic cars, a lot of different makes and models. Today, I wanted to put a video together on showing you what we do when your car comes into the shop. From the write-up to the inspection to how the information is delivered to you. And in my experience, if you stick to this process, you'll rarely come across any major repairs or problems that will leave you on the side of the road. When you first walk in, you're greeted by our service advisor. He's going to get all your information on your car and check you in. After the technician gets the ticket, he'll pull your car in. He's going to check out what you initially came in for. Give that oil change, a service, brakes, anything. While our technician has the vehicle in the shop for the service, he goes through a detailed inspection process looking at everything from bumper to bumper on your vehicle. Photos, videos are also taken during this inspection to provide you with a full report of what we are recommending. After the technician is finished, the information is then transferred over to our service advisor, where he's going to write down any recommendations that the technician had said on an inspection report that is given to you, so you can see everything that is needed for the car. All of our repairs are backed by a 2-year, 24,000-mile warranty. This completes what you can expect when you bring your car here to Deutschland Autowerks. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below or call us at 435-669-6223. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more content.